Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra, and today I'm going to show you how to make the super easy St. Patrick's Day wreath using dollar store materials. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to make a strip long enough that I can fold it in half, cut it, and lay that down in my Bowdabra, and I can tuck the ends underneath. The next thing that I'm gonna do is take my tails, and what we did was we took this really pretty scarf and just knotted the ends, and I'm gonna go right into the middle of the scarf and just scrunch that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my burlap, and I'm gonna lay this down into my Bowdabra, and take my shamrocks and lay that down into the Bowdabra. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take about 3 yards of my mesh, and I'm just going to scrunch this into my Bowdabra. We're just going down the center, and it's a 21-inch wide mesh. So we're just going to keep scrunching that in there. And I've got probably, I think, about 3 yards and left on this roll. So we're just going to the end of the roll. And whoops, it looks like everything's stuck to the roll. And I'm just going to fold this under and scrunch that in and just give that a good scrunch. Then what I'm gonna do is take my lime green burlap, and we're just going to bring this in and fold it and twist, because I want to make sure I have the right side of the ribbon on the inside of my loop. We're going to fold that back and twist and fold it back over and twist, and we'll just do one more loop and just scrunch that in there. Then what I'm gonna do is take my piece of and we're gonna fold this over. I love these pretty little shamrocks. And twist, and we're gonna just fold and twist, fold, twist. So it's really simple. All I'm doing here is just folding it over, twisting it, and putting it down into my Bowdabra. And the twist, I just twist it right here. So when I push it in, it's very simple. Now on the last one, I'm not gonna twist because I want the right side of my ribbon showing. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I have another scarf, and we're just gonna lay the scarf down in here. And again, the ends are knotted. And we got these really cute little scarves at the Dollar Tree. So they were, I think Dollar Tree's now $1.25. So we paid like $1.25 for these. Just gonna lay this in here, lay another one, put that one going that way, and take my lily here, lay that down into my Bowdabra. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn this so it's easy for me to pull up my Bowdabra bow wire. Now if you want, you can use your wand to scrunch everything down. I'm just using my hands kind of to scrunch, so I'm gonna pull that through. I'm gonna push everything down, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna separate my ends and bring it around to the back. And I'm going to now tie it off, and I'm gonna tie it really tight, tie a knot, and tie another knot. And then what I'm gonna do, now what we've done here is I have a shamrock wreath that we bought at Dollar Tree, and all I did was wrap it with our Gleam ribbon, and then I just tucked it around at the end. I put a zot there and just tucked it underneath. So it's really easy. You can use our Gleam ribbon or any ribbon you want. Then what I'm gonna do is give everything a really good fluff, and fluff this all out here, and fluff that, and bring all my tails down. And what I'm gonna do with my tails is I want to, let me bring them around here, and these are wired, so all I'm gonna do is just put them around my wrist, and we're just going to curl them. There we go, that one's curled, and this is fluffed out. And let's finish, I'm gonna curl these. So I'm gonna start it on my hand here and bring it around and kind of bring my hand through it. And just kind of give these, a really good way to curl these is to have a roll of scrunchy ribbon. But as you can see, the wire makes it super, super easy. And we'll just finish fluffing this out. And now you have this wonderful, super easy to make St. Patrick's Day wreath. And let's just look, you see the tails, they're all curled up, look so pretty. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you in our next video.